Hello, given the explanations of the model, we are going to learn some information about Simulink. If you have worked with MATLAB software before, you know that in MATLAB one of the most important parts is help, and that's because of and the important is that, for example, you're going to define a code, but you don't know what code you should use or what is the function, so you go to the help and get your information. In Simulink we have this option too. For example, you need a block or such things, but you don't know where the block is located, and you want to make sure that is it in Simulink, or is the block in Simulink or not, or what is its function. So you can get this information from Simulink help. So I click on this part, help, then Simulink help. As you can see, we have this window that you can get your information. For example, here I want to do simulation on a power system, so I want to get synchronous generator, get its information. So I type it here and click on pushing enter, and then you can get this information and know that where the synchronous machine is located or what is its function. Now as you can see here, it is the synchronous machine block. Here you can get information about its location, that where it is located, and some other facts that might be necessary. You can use there is another application for Simulink help. For example, you're doing simulation, but you found a block, but you don't know what is its function exactly. So here you type the block, and then here you have some details about it, and then also for many blocks there are some examples and simulations, and some blocks that have been used in such systems. For example, here you can see that example.